Left foot closes to right, right foot back, left foot side, right foot closes to left foot forward, right foot side, left foot closes to right, and right foot back, left foot side, right foot closes to left. So we're stepping 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And from a different angle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now for the ladies' part.
Come on.
Okay, and the lady steps back with the right foot, left foot side, right foot closes to left foot forward, right foot side, left foot closes to right foot back, left foot side, right foot closes to left, and let's do that again. You go slowly.